Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable virtualization in HP window. You can start by accessing the BIOS/UEFI. That is, you do this by restarting your HP computer. During the startup process, you need to press a specific key to enter the BIOS/UEFI setup. Common keys include F10, F2, delete and escape. You have to consult your HP documentation, that is the computer's manual or support page, for the exact key to press. Next, navigate within the BIOS/UEFI using the arrow keys and the enter key. Navigate through the menu. Then, look for the options related to virtualization technology. Common names include Intel Virtualization Technology, AMD Virtualization Technology, and Virtualization Technology itself. Select the option to enable or on. Next, press the designated key to save the changes, usually F10, and then select yes or save and exit to confirm and restart your computer. Note this please. Your CPU must support virtualization technology before you can enable this. And next, the exact menu for the BIOS/UEFI UEFI menu. The location may differ slightly depending on your specific HP computer model and the version you're using. Always refer to your HP computer's documentation or support website for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions for your specific model. By following these steps, you should be able to enable virtualization in the BIOS/UEFI of your HP Windows computer. This is necessary for running virtual machines like VirtualBox or VMware and certain virtualization-based security features. Note that if you modify BIOS settings, it can have unintended consequences if not done properly. So proceed with caution and refer to your computer documentation for guidance. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.